And talking a little bit about recent news, obviously the Fed has decided not to taper, and that has had a pretty positive effect on the stock market this week. And the market was so jittery over the summer. For you guys, as you're dealing with retirement money and very important savings for a lot of people, what's your short-term sense on what's happening and how people should respond to it?
Well, it's hard to predict the future, and a lot of people, there were some people who were saying get out of the market before they make that decision, because when the market jumped when they gave positive news, or what the market interpreted as positive news, it very well could have been negative news, and we could have had a comeback on that. So what we tell people is, as they're investing, again, as Eamon said, is make sure you're investing according to the kind of risk that you can take, the kind of losses that you potentially could take in your portfolio, and make sure it's age appropriate. If you're planning on retirement in the next couple of years, you can't afford large losses in your portfolio because it's very difficult to get that back in a short period of time.